Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna make some aloo bangan. We have 2 eggplant, 2 potatoes, and we have 1 onion, and we have a bunch of cilantro and ginger, garlic, and green chili. Here's our all ingredients. Like, I cut the eggplant and potatoes in medium size dice and chopped chili flakes, and I have some tomato paste. I started with heating my pan and I add some cumin in there, and right now I'm seasoning my eggplant. I like to cook it in the oven, so I'm seasoning with salt and pepper and oil and in a sheet tray. So I'm gonna bake this for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 until they're soft and tender. And my onion is almost there. I'm adding my garlic right now, and you don't want the onion to be too dark, so it's gonna taste burn if you just do it too dark. So brown is good, golden brown, so it's about to be there. And I like to cook the garlic and ginger through so that the raw part, like the raw taste of garlic, is gone. So right now is the perfect time. I'm going to add chilies, a green chili. When you fry the green chilies ahead of the time, it's create more spice and heat in the salad or dish. So now I added almost a cup and a half of tomato, diced tomato. I bought this tomato in can, so you can buy it fresh or can, whatever you want. But it's good because right now it dissolves faster. Right now I let this masala cooked for about 2 minutes, and then here I have 1 tablespoon of salt, cumin powder, turmeric and curry powder and chili powder, and garam masala and chili flakes. And here after 2 minutes my mixture is ready. I'm adding all the masalas and spices, and I added like half a cup of water here. I forgot to record that. And there's my potatoes. I'm adding the potatoes in here right now. It's very easy and quick to make this salad. So, and here I am checking my eggplant. It's perfectly ready. It's not too overcooked, it's not too raw. So right now I added water here too, a cup. There you go. This is what you want, caramelized, like golden. And here the potato and the salad, like all the mixture together. So I'm cooking the potato, since the eggplant is cooked for a little bit, like it's fully cooked. So I cook the potatoes for 5 to 8 minutes to medium, like so that they cook through. Here is the mixture of eggplant and potato, and I'm just keeping stirring it, and then I will cook it for 5 minutes and it will be ready. And the last thing I will add to it is cilantro, chopped cilantro, fresh cilantro, and there you go. And I am gonna mix this well, and that's ready. And estimated time for making this is gonna be between like 20 minutes